Hey everyone, today we're going to draw Purple from Rainbow Friends. Make sure you smash the subscribe button so you can see my next videos. Let's get started on him. Alright, to start with Purple, he's super easy. We're going to draw just a circle. Just a circle, doesn't have to be perfect. I have this iPad so it'll make it perfect. And then down from the bottom of the purple, we're going to just do this rounded, kind of longer shape, just like that. Now, in the middle of his head, we're going to do two more circles, just like this, on one side. Maybe make it about that big. And on this side. And then guess what? Two more circles, but just on the inside of those. So these are going to be the pupils of his eyes. And let's do the other one. Just like that. Now, I'm going to fill those in black. Perfect. Okay, now let's do one of his arms. We're going to go to the right side of his head, and we're going to just curve all the way down like that. He's got skinny arms, so just do two lines right next to each other like that. Then, with his fingers, he's got these long pointy fingers, so off of the left side of his arm, just go out and back in. Then come down about that much spacing, and then back in. And just keep following that same amount of spacing, just up and down these long fingers. I'm gonna redo that one because I don't like the way it looks. Just like that. All right, same thing with the other arm, but we're gonna come off the left side of his head, down like that. Again, the arm is about the same length. But now on this one, we're gonna bring his finger down like this. And I'm gonna stop right there because his leg actually is gonna cover that part, I think. So come like this, and we're gonna make these fingers just a little bit curly, like he's up to no good. All right, now let's go ahead and go on to that left leg. So we're gonna go right down to the bottom of his body, and we're gonna curve and go up so that, see, now you can see how that kind of hides behind there. And his legs are just like how the arms are, where they're pretty much going to have the same length. All right, now he's got these crazy long toes though. So we'll go way over here like that. And we'll just bring him in these super long toes. I'm gonna have one toe be a little bit less long, but not like too much. Whoops. Let's see. I want to erase this. I want to give his heel a little bit more of a point. So I'm going to go just like that. I like that better. All right, other leg, same thing. We're going to curve, but it's going to go kind of behind. So you can just stop where the arm is and then finish it up. And I'm just going to curve, and now I can just draw his long toes on this side. Then we will be done. He is, I think, one of the easiest characters from Rainbow Friends to draw. But look at that, he's all finished up. 3 minutes and we've got him drawn. Now, obviously I want to color him in, so I'll fast forward through that part because he is just one color. So let's skip to that. All right, here he is all colored in. He's just purple, so it was really easy. I added in a little bit darker purple for shading, but I think he turned out pretty awesome. So guys, I've got a bunch of other videos out from Rainbow Friends characters. I'm gonna try to get them all drawn, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. You can do that by clicking on my head. Check out some of these related videos, and I will see you in the next one.